So now guys, we'll talk about the intersection of a curve and a line pehle, okay? So as you can see right now, okay, the curve and the line have 0 points of intersection, so there is no solution. Okay, if I somehow make the line move towards the curve, okay, the line is not tangent. Tangent means meeting this curve at exactly 1 point. Okay, so we have exactly one solution. थोड़ा और ऊपर के इस line को तो क्या हो जाएगा? I'll have exactly two solutions, right? So guys, always remember the point, a line and the curve can always intersect in three ways. Okay, they can either have no solutions, zero solutions. Okay, like the very first case we discussed थोड़ा देर पहले, this one no solution. They can have exactly one solution. They can have exactly two solutions. Okay. Now, same thing, guys, happens for a curve and a curve. Okay. If a curve and a curve do not intersect, there'll be no solutions like this one, right? Okay. If they are tangent to each other, okay, meeting at exactly 1 point, there's exactly one solution. And if they intersect, then we'll have exactly two solutions. Okay. Now, so कौन सा solution कब होगा, that we have to understand right now. So let's solve a few questions based on this. So how many points of intersection exist for f of x equals to x square minus 7x plus 10 and g of x is equal to 4? So guys, we need to find the point of intersection, right? So देखो पहला वाला equation basically है क्या? Y is equal to x square minus 7x plus 10, right? And दूसरा वाला क्या है guys? Y is equal to 4. दोनों basically यही है, right? Okay, f of x मतलब y भी है और g of x मतलब भी y ही actually, right? So what we do is to find the point of intersection, we equate their y coordinates. पहले इनको equate करते हैं, right? So we have x square minus 7x plus 10 is equal to 4. That gives me x square minus 7x plus 6 is 0. दो numbers इनका sum minus 7 है, product 6 है. कौन से होंगे? Minus 6 and minus 1. You can add, minus 7 आएगा. You can multiply, product 6 आएगा, right? So इसके roots क्या होंगे? We studied this. Just interchange the signs 6 and 1, right? So there will be 2 points of intersection here. Okay, x is equal to 6 and x is equal to 1. Okay, and the coordinates of the point will be what? See, whenever they meet, the y coordinate should be 4, right? तो पहला point क्या हो जाएगा guys? 6,4 and दूसरा point क्या हो जाएगा? 1,4. So these two, okay, this line and this curve have 2 points of intersections. Okay, and ये हमें कैसे मालूम पड़ा? ये हमें इस equation के number of roots के बारे में मालूम पड़ा. Okay, अगर सिर्फ how many points पूछा है तो you don't even need to do all this and find out the specific points of intersection. ये हम अगले वाले में कर सकते हैं. What are the points of intersection? Okay, then you can equate them and find out 6,4 and 1,4. But guys, अगर उसने पूछा है how many points exist, simply equate them. X square minus 7x plus 10 is equal to 4. You will have x square minus 7x plus 6. Just find out the discriminant value for this equation. Makes sense, right? अगर इसका एक solution हुआ मतलब there will be 1 point of intersection. इसका अगर एक भी solution नहीं हुआ means 0 point of solutions. And if there are 2 points of intersection here, that means this equation will have two solutions. Okay. So just find out the value of delta here. B square minus 4ac. Let's calculate. B square minus 4 into 1 into c. Here in this case will be 49 minus 24 equals 25. It's positive and a perfect square, so I'll have two distinct solutions. That means there'll be 2 points of intersections, guys. Understood this, guys? So I hope it is very, very clear right now. Okay, just equate these two and form one equation, one quadratic equation, and find out uske kitne roots niklenge. Okay, uske jitne roots niklenge, that many points of intersection these two will have. And to find out the specific points of intersection, we can solve it like we did for the first question, for the first part here.